Put your hands together for Riddhi Goyal and Tanvi Kaur.
How are you? I'm fine. What about you? I'm also fine. How are your parents? They are good. It's been a long time to meet you. Yeah. Actually, we met last at my birthday party. Yeah. It was wonderful. First of all, let me tell you, what would you like to do? No, I'm fine. No, nothing. I'm fine. Ask me. So, actually, me and my 3 more friends were planning to go on a religious trip. So you should also join us. Yeah, where? To Amritsar. Oh, that's great because I also know friend, so it's been first time. Okay, we have a lot of fun there. How many friends are going there? Me and my 3 more friends were going. So it's been including you. So it's 5. Friends are also going? No. So friends stay? Yeah. It's okay. Only friends stay.
Speak loudly, please. Use a full body language.
So, what are you doing nowadays, nothing. I'm just studying in +1 class. That's all. And one thing that I like to tell you that I am currently joining the English speaking course. Okay. Yeah. I'm also thinking about that. It's a good course. You should join. Okay. So, how's your experience there? Yeah, it's a very good institute, and you must join because I am very much satisfied with this institute and with my progress also. Okay. So, where is it? Actually, I don't know about. Yeah, it's at Jagadri. Okay. You know Jagadri? Okay. So, the name of the institute is Lakshmi Infotech. Oh, okay. Is it the Umesh Arora English Guru? Yeah. Oh, I know him. Yeah, I know him. Yeah, he's a very good teacher, huh? Yeah. He's like a philosopher and guide also. Yeah, actually, I have also listened that he's a writer of 13 books. Yeah. Is that right? Yes, that's right. Okay, so wonderful, right? Okay. So, what do you do in your past summer vacations? Actually, nothing, but yeah, I've joined the institute's learning English. Have you gone on a trip with your family or not? No. Okay, same here. Shall we go somewhere to it? Yeah, we should go for cafe. Yes.
Come back and sit here again. Okay? Sit at this cafe. Okay? Yeah.
It's a wonderful cafe here. Yeah. Its environment is solid. Yeah. So, here is the menu. What would you like to have? Obviously, you tell. No, you tell. I can eat anything actually. So, should we order coffee? Yeah, cold coffee. Yeah. It's hot coffee. Okay, so would you like to eat something with it? Actually, not because I don't like fast food so much. Okay. Then coffee is alright. Yeah. Until the coffee comes a little bit. Yeah. So, actually, when will we go? What we are discussing? Actually, it's not decided. Firstly, I have to take permission of my parents. Yeah, okay, sure. It totally depends on your parents. Yeah, absolutely. If your parents will allow, then yeah, I will do. Yeah, you can tell me at call. Okay, I will call you. Okay. So, let's go now. Yeah. Actually, my mother was waiting for me. We have to go somewhere. Okay. Fine. Let's go.
Nice performance. Awesome.